Imagine I gave you a magic wand. You wave it and suddenly you aren't hungry for pizza, cake or soda anymore. You'd think, finally, the battle is over. But here is the secret. The wand is just a tool. If you don't know how to build a house, a magic hammer won't help you. I'm a nutritionist and in 2026, I'm seeing a big problem. People are losing weight fast, but they are losing the wrong kind of weight. They feel tired, their hair is thinning, and they look gray. Today, I'm going to teach you how to be the person who loses the weight, keeps their energy, and looks glowing at the end of it. We're going to cover the 3 big pillars of GLP-1 success. Let's talk about the bricks. Your muscles are the bricks that hold your body up. They keep your metabolism, that's your body's engine, running hot. When you take a GLP-1, your brain stops asking for food. If you stop eating, your body says, "Hey, I need energy. Let's go eat those muscles." We do not want that. If you lose muscle, the moment you stop the medicine, the weight will come back twice as fast. Here's the nutritionist secret. You need to hit your protein goal. Think of it like this. If you have a car, you need to put oil in it every few thousand miles. Your body needs protein every few hours. Breakfast, don't just have toast. Have eggs or a shake. Lunch, don't just have a salad. Add chicken or tofu. Dinner, if you are too full for a big meal, have a cup of Greek yogurt. Always eat your bricks first. If you're full, leave the rice on the plate, but finish the chicken. Now, let's talk about what happens inside your tummy. Usually, your stomach is like a water slide. Food goes in and slides right down. But on Wegovy or Mounjaro, your stomach becomes a slow-moving, lazy river. This is why you feel full. But if the water stops moving, the boat, the food, gets stuck. This causes nausea. The food is sitting there too long. Sulfur burps. The food is actually fermenting like old fruit in your stomach. Constipation. Everything is backed up. We need to keep the river flowing. Step A. Fiber. Think of fiber like a little broom. It sweeps the food through the lazy river. Eat berries, chia seeds, or a little bit of oatmeal. Step B. The water rule. You need way more water than you think. But here is the trick. Don't drink while you eat. If your stomach is already full of food and you pour a giant glass of water on top, you're going to feel sick. Drink your water between your meals. Have you ever felt dizzy when you stand up fast? Or a headache that won't go away? People call this Ozempic Fog. Most people think it's because they aren't eating sugar, but actually it's because these medicines make your body lose salt. Wait, isn't salt bad? Not for you right now. When you lose weight fast, your body flushes out water and minerals called electrolytes. If your electrolytes are low, your brain feels like it's in a fog. Next time you feel a headache coming on, don't reach for a snack. Reach for a pinch of sea salt in a glass of water or a sugar-free electrolyte drink. It's like plugging your body into a charger. You'll feel the fog lift in minutes. You aren't tired because of the medicine. You're tired because your battery is low on salt. I want to tell you something your doctor might not have said. This medicine is a restart button. It gives you a chance to learn how to eat without feeling like you're starving. But one day, you might want to stop the shots. If you spend this time eating nothing but crackers and ginger ale, the weight will come back. But if you spend this time eating your bricks, protein, keeping your river flowing, fiber, and keeping your battery charged, electrolytes, you will be a different person a year from now. I've made it easy for you. I put together a first week grocery list. It has all the safe foods that won't make you sick and will keep your muscles strong. It's in the description. Go grab it. Before you go, I want to know, What day of your journey are you on? Day 1? Day 100? Comment below so I can cheer you on. Don't forget to subscribe. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly what I buy at Costco to stay on track for under $100. I'll see you there.